video number 2 with the light, porch light on to see if it makes a difference. I'm thinking not. So what were we talking about? All right, Jeannie, we're gonna play charades. Okay, who am I?
See how red my nose is? It's cold.
Hey, Jeannie, who am I? Oh my God, my back hurts. It must be getting ready to get real cold tomorrow. It's gonna rain. My back really hurts. Tommy, I can't move today. I'll never move up north because of my back.
Get out of the light.
I'll be in the garden. I'm gonna go out in the garden and bend over for 4 hours. Mom, I'm just joking around. Because I miss you and I think you would love it up here. This is fun. See this snowball? Go ahead and get this snowball, Gene. See that snowball? A missile. This could be thrown real soft and easy like...
Hey.
Or it can be slammed. Anyway, it's good stuff, Mom.
I am.
Jeannie, get the snow, dude.
I am. I wrote something, you jerk. Get out of here. Gross cigarette. Here's the snow.
That light right there, Mom, where the truck just passed, is my favorite light when it's snowing. And it's so much better when the porch light is off. Well, get the tractor. He's plowing. I wish I knew how to plow.
Okay, I'm cold.
Only plowing I know is making babies.
Oh, God.